Hello and welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Mr. Expert. So today onwards, I'm going to discuss with you about the new testing framework, RESTAssured, which we can use to test APIs. So since I'm focusing on beginners and going from the scratch, I'll be doing this as a series of videos. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about the prerequisites that are needed to start this REST-assured test automation framework. So the first thing that you need to have in your machine is Java. You should have Java installed in your machine to start uh, using this framework. And the next thing is you need to have an IDE. So for that you can use. I know that you majority of you are using Eclipse, IntelliJ, and some of you are interested in Visual Studio Code. So you can use any of these. But for my session, I'm using Eclipse, and you need to have Maven installed in your machine. But in my case, since Eclipse have Maven in built, I don't have to download and install it again and again. So, but if you are like running this in the CMD or a separate terminal, you need to have Maven installed in your machine as well. So since you are using Eclipse, you don't have to separately download and install Maven. And the other thing that we need is a testing framework. So in my case, I'm using TestNG. So we need to have a testing framework for this as well, and we should download and install TestNG Eclipse plugin and TestNG Maven library. So I'll show you how to do this in my upcoming sessions. So you guys know how to check whether Java is installed in your machine. So you just have to open the command prompt and type Java space hyphen version. And if Java is installed in your machine, you will get something like this, the version and all. And if you want to check how to install Maven, um, yeah, before that, I think I have shown you how to download and install Java to your machine in one of my previous sessions. Yes, in this tutorial, I have discussed about how to install Java to your Windows machine. So you can follow this one if you are a beginner, or else you can move on if you know how to do that. So that's how to install Java, and to install Maven. Um, so that's also easy. Yeah, you can install Maven separately, or else you can check whether Maven is already there in your machine by using this command. Sorry, not Maven, right? MVN space hyphen B. Yes, so you can see in my machine, Maven is already installed, and yeah, Eclipse. So I'll show you how to install Eclipse. Actually, Eclipse installation is also discussed in one of my previous tutorials here, so you can easily refer this one and install Eclipse to your machine. So else I can quickly show you how to do that. You can simply type download Eclipse in your browser, and if you click enter, then you will navigate it to this page. So simply you have to click on this URL, and it will direct you to this page, Eclipse downloads page. So here you will get a direct download icon, so you can download and install the installer Eclipse installer here and get Eclipse easily, or else you can move to this one, and here you get Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and there are some other options as well. But what you need as of now is this one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you have these URLs, so you can select it based on your operating system. So since I have a Windows machine, I'm going to select this one. Then it will direct us to a new web page. So it takes some time to load. Yeah, here also there's a direct download button, so you can run the install and install. But in case if you want a separate folder, zip folder, then you can download this one and unzip it and run the exe file, eclipse.exe file, and install Eclipse. So then you can easily uh, open Eclipse like this. So that's how you are going to install Eclipse. So if you want the installation steps in detail, you can refer to my video, which is here. And other thing is to install TestNG. So I'll show you how to do that in my upcoming session. So these are the prerequisites that are needed for us to start REST assured automation framework. So till I start my next session, you can set up all these prerequisites, and yeah, stay tuned till the next session. So thank you for joining with me. Have a good day.